friends, it's Baci and welcome back to Baci Learn Land. Oh, delicious. I went on a fruit kind of adventure at the farm and I picked some fruits and oh, delicious. Would you like to see what's inside of these fruits? Fantastic. So I have here a plastic play knife. It's not real, so it's just something to help us today. Oh, look, do you know what this fruit is? That's right, it's an apple. What color is the apple? It is green. It is a green apple. What about this fruit? It's a pear. It's a yellow colored pear. These are grapes. But specifically, what color are they? They're green grapes. Well done. Oh, juicy, juicy. This is a pineapple. What color is the pineapple? Yellow and green. It's a yellow and green pineapple. Oh, what is this? This is a pear, but it's different because it's a green pear. Whoa, look at that. Oh, I picked more grapes, but these ones differ. They're different in the sense that they're a different color. What color are these? Purple. They're purple grapes. Delicious. This is an orange, and it's also an orange colored orange. So silly. Delicious. It's another apple. But what color is that apple? It's a red apple. Let's put this red apple beside the green apple. Let's count how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fruits. Yummy. Let's start with the first one. Let's start with the red apple. Now remember, it's just a play knife. All right, we're gonna pretend to cut. Okay, put it aside. Let's see what's inside. Whoa, look at that. It has a shape inside. What is the shape? Let's identify it. Let's see what the name of that shape is. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. It's a star. It has a lot of little vertices. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices. That's where these straight lines meet. And let's count how many sides, which are these straight lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sides. Whoa, look at that. This red apple had a star inside. All right, green apple, let's cut you open. Whoa. Oh, what shape is that? Let's identify it by counting how many vertices and sides it has. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. But peculiar, because these two sides, are they shorter or longer than these ones? Longer. This shape has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. What do we call this shape? A rectangle. You so smart, you smarty pants. Alrighty, let's move them back so we can see the beautiful shapes that we have with the fruits. Ooh, it's another green fruit. Let's cut this one open. Ready? Nice. Whoa, hey, this was kind of like the last one we did. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. Do you think they're the same? No, because like we said, look, this rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. This shape has all equal sides. It's a square. Whoa, you're good with your shapes. All right, let's do the next pair as well. Okay, it's the yellow one. Okay, cut. What is this? Oh, whoa, let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices. There must be a word for 6. Hexa. Hexa means 6. So if you hear hexa, then it's usually refers to the number 6. So it's a hexagon. A hexagon. Whoa, look at that. We found a hexagon inside. How exciting. All right, let's do the purple grapes. Whoa, look at this shape. It also has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices as well. But they're not quite the same. They're kind of on a diagonal. Yes, we can say that that is a diamond. Let's leave diamond right there. Yeah, you may have heard it. It's like on jewelry. All right, let's put this shape. Oh, this is the, this is the heart shape. Of course, inside the grapes that are green. It's a heart. A heart inside of those delicious green grapes. All right. I wonder what's inside of the pineapple. Whoa, look how round that shape is. My goodness, so round. What shape is that? A circle. Oh, delicious circular shape. All right, let's cut this last one. It's a orange, but what's inside the orange? Oh, let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3. I think I know this one. And 1, 2, 3 vertices. All right. What is a shape that has 3 sides and 3 vertices? A triangle. Did you know that tri means 3 triangles? So this shape also has 3 angles in it. Whoa. We don't even have any more room. How about we put it over here? I think we have enough room. Yeah, we'll make room for it. Look at that. So this red apple had a star. This green apple had a rectangle. This green pear had a square. This yellow pear had a hexagon. This green grape or grapes had a diamond. These green grapes had a heart. This yellow and green pineapple had a circle, and this orange had a triangle inside. Oh, that was so much fun, and thank you so much for playing, and I can't wait to see you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There's so much more fun. Whoops. See you soon. Bye.